My people no be small matter as e dey hot for Olori Mariam's body. Na dis kind prayer we dey pray anything wey you think for me make e go back to you, na back to sender. Is it a bad prayer? E no be bad prayer at all. Anything wey you wish me, e go go back to you. Yes, allegedly we heard dat Aunty Igbi she don run enter car make dey rush her to Okene as she dey scratch her whole body, like scratching both her head, her eyes, her buttocks, everywhere, scratching everywhere like dat. No be small thing as we don hear say Aunty Igbi dat she travelled. We heard that she travelled to, is it Abuja? We heard that she travelled to, I don't know exactly the place, but we heard that she travelled. And that her travel, she said that she want to go and prepare herself, that anybody that will say that she will not come back to her husband's house, that person is lying. Anybody that will say that me, Aunty Igbi, will not go back to my husband's house, that person dey joke. That person must be a joker. Let me go and get myself prepared. Yes, as we hear allegedly that she travelled, make she go prepare herself. E be like say make she go fortify herself, because no be small battle dem dey for that palace of Ile-Ife kingdom. Na that same travel wey she travel she come back. You know say for that palace, one thing about the palace is that there are good ones, there are good powers there, as well as bad ones that is fighting good people. In short, no be say bad ones wey dey fight good people. Bad ones that doesn't want Queen Naomi to return back to the palace. Let me put it like that. Bad ones, bad powers wey dey fight Queen Naomi, that doesn't want Queen Naomi to come back and stay in the palace, because if she stays there, she is going to dominate. She's going to be the one that will be saying what will happen in the territory. As we heard that it was territorial fight that they are fighting in that palace, and no be only Queen Naomi, no be only this Oloris that Queen Naomi is facing. Queen Naomi is also facing some other deities that we don't know about them in the palace. So, as we heard that there are good deities in the palace, the ones that fight for the right of people, the one that they say that these ones protect his own people, abi her own people. Because that particular deity I heard then was, they said that one is a woman, that she fight for her own, that is the subject, all the people of Ile-Ife. So what I'm trying to bring is that Aunty Igbi, as she travel she come back to the palace. On getting to the palace, and immediately she enter that palace, they said that one spirit like that wey no accept her to come in with that thing that she don go do herself for the thing come strike her. She started scratching her whole body, scratching, and say immediately she enter, she no even maybe settle down, greet people. She started scratching, and they said that she rushed back to her car. My people, no forget say na alleged information we dey share here excuse me. As we heard, na so we dey share am Immediately she enter her motor back to Okene. So immediately they say that they rush her to the hospital. First of all, they come give her drugs, like doctors check her and give her medicine. The thing be like say the thing diluted small. By tomorrow, all the scratch wey she don scratch her body, the bruises come dey too much on her, that you barely recognize that this is Olori Aunty Igbi. Hey my people, na im dey carry am go another hospital, as being say this one no do well When they get to another hospital, the man check her and do test and say, hey madam, abeg make you no vex you see this thing wey dey worry you now. Me, I go school, what I read was medicine, and it is English medicine, like medically, for dis thing wey dey happen to you now, no be wetin medical go solve, na spiritual matter wey be dis. So if I will advise you, I will say that you should go to spiritual people, like a spiritualist, or if there is anybody that you have offend, make you go beg that person, make that person forgive you, so that this thing wey dey happen to you go stop. Hey, my correct people o. I was like, what is this? Is she not tired of going to do somebody bad thing? The one that we heard she planned against Tadenikawo, that backfired to her own son, that one never do for her. That is if all we are hearing happen to be true, because I'm not there. I wasn't there when this thing dey happen. Na here I hear. And as I hear am, na so I dey share am here. So I was like, which kind thing be this one? Does it mean that Aunty B is not tired of tempting to hurt somebody? Because I know say na somebody wey go want to hurt. Who be this one? You know fit be another person na if it's not Queen Naomi. Because na Queen Naomi that they hate with passion. If you see the kind of hatred that this people have for Queen Naomi, if they measure am, you go feel tank. That is tell that they hate her with passion. So the doctor said that, madam, carry your this thing dey comot o. No be doctor, no be medically dem go cure you for this thing. Go and look for maybe herbalist or spiritualist, the people wey go cure you. Immediately, Aunty B don enter car, say make dem rush her back to Ogene. You know say abi the Ogene na, is it in Ogene is like is in Igbira, where she come from. You know say for that their place, as her uncle talk am the other day, say everybody, every family for that house, for their place, it been get a shrine. Yes, every family get shrine. If you no get shrine for their place, no, na be say you don't know wetin dey sup. They go dey see you as Jew guy. So e be like say she want to go and carry herself and keep for her gods, make her gods know wetin she go do and make she dey well. Even that her uncle then allegedly said that she dey also dey witchy, and that is what she had been doing in the palace, and the thing no dey work for her. She thought that that if witchy bring her into the palace, that witchy will also sustain her in the palace. That one, na that place where she come fail. Now her uncle dey tell us this thing, allegedly, my correct people. So now she don dey scratch her whole body, dey scratch, dey carry her go hospital. Hospital no fit do wetin dey for her body. They no carry her again. She demanded that they should carry her to take her to Ogene. They don take her to Ogene. Make we know wetin she go happen, she go do to herself for that Ogene. She know wetin she dey do. You see, for this life wey we dey, so nobody go no wicked one go go unpunished. If you dey go think about something bad for another person, make I tell you say na you wey that thing wey you dey think you go do. Na you wey you go do, nobody else. Better kukuma no think anything evil against anybody, because if you try am, na for your head you go carry am. As Mariam abi Aunty Igbi, as she don dey carry her own, na her cross wey e be o. Everybody get her cross. If you get good cross, you go carry. You get bad cross, if you bring bad cross upon yourself, you go carry. Anyone wey you carry come put upon your head, omo, na you and that cross. Anyway, na so I take hear. As I hear, I come say make I share with you. Make una no forget say na alleged information, because me, I no live with them at the palace. Love you guys.